Ukukhuphuka kwentengo yepetroli kuhlalisa amaSewula Afrika maquphe kazi aphelelwa mamandla kanti ke nokuragela phambili kwepi esenarheni ye-Ukraine lokho kuzokwenza izinto zibonakala ngathi zifiphala ukuya phambili. Litha lepetroli 93 kunye 95 zikhuphuke zayokubiza ngaphezulu kwe-21 rand inyanga leKantaka. Kanti ukukhuphuka kangaka kwepetroli kulilisa abatjhayeli bathe baphumbutha ngengikhwameni zabo babuya mkhonoze. Kodwana amaSewula Afrika kuthi nakulilwa kangaka nje wona aziduduze ngokuthola amahlaya ebuhlungwini. Hayi ekuthiwe bona nanyana kukumbi kuyahlekwa. Abanengi baziduduza ngokungena eenkundleni zokuthintana baveze imizwa yabo ngobujamo esizibona singaphakathi kwabo. Abanye bathi uzimu ngathana ulisa ukuphendula amanzi wayini kodwana aphendula amanzi awenze ipetroli.
Hey! Never! Hey, ningahlali man! Hayi man! Hayi!
Nasikhambe sibuza abantu ukuthi bazokubona batheni ngokukhuphuka kangaka kwepetroli. Abanye bathi bacabanga ukuthuthela eduze nemisebenzi yabo, abanye baphakamisa ukuthi baza kuhlola imali bona ijame njani, bazozidima okhunye baqalele yepetroli ekhuphuka mlibe.
Since the petrol hikes are killing us, I'm planning on moving closer to work.
We are suffering straight, we are suffering. Otherwise now people are going to use their bicycle now because you can't drive those big cars like we used to drive 3 liters and 2 liters and 1.6. Now no more.
We just have to take money from other things that we could do, put it to the fuel.
Izazithi iyokhuphuka godu inyanga ezako intengo yepetroli.
If the oil price were to hang around this $130 a barrel, and that translates into a high 25 rand per litre for 95, if we can be more exact, and it assumes that the rand hangs on to the strength that it seems to have found in a very, very difficult environment.
Abathengi bayalinga ukuhlanganisa ukuthi baphile nanyana zikhuphuka intengo zeembaseli. Uqindeliswa kwegezi nakho kubadanisile. Asisayikhulumi yokungakhutshulwa kwemiholo, bonakala kwangathi kusazokwenyukela hle lapha ekhethu.